Happy Easter, and today is Sunday Fun Day, so we have a craft to do. So we're going to be making this super cute little zipper pouch with a little patch on it, and stay tuned if you'd like to learn how to make it. All the items I used for this tutorial will be linked in the description. Let's get started. Need our some type of pouch. I've used all different kinds. I just happen to be using these clear ones today. You'll need some patches. I'm personalizing these, so whatever initials you need, and some type of glue. I just happen to have some fabric glue. The last time I did a patch project, I bought this one by mistake, and I personally prefer the quick dry one. I'm going to move the camera so you can see better. Now that we have our supplies, let's get started. So we're going to take the patch and carefully put some of our glue on it. You want to make sure you get all the way to the edges, but don't put too much on it or it will like ooze out the sides when you put it on. You want to make sure you just get the whole back side of the patch covered. And I just use the tip of the glue. Works best for me. And there we have the glue on the back. I may have put a bit too much. Hopefully it will be okay. And now we're going to make sure your zipper is on the top, and we're going to carefully try and place this in the center as much as possible and press down on it. I would recommend kind of holding it in place for a few seconds and then finding something a little heavy like a book to kind of make sure it stays in place. And if you're using a cloth pouch, you'll want to make sure you put something on between the layers of fabric on the inside or it might stick together. And there you have a super cute little personalized gift for someone, perfect for birthdays, holidays. I just happen to use this for Easter, but hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support.